Hi guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today we have Allure Beauty. Do you want to see what's inside May's box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So this is May's box, and I'm very surprised that I have it in my hands already. Like last month, it was like the last week of the month that I received it, and here we have it already, and I'm so excited. So here's Allure Beauty, and if you don't know, Allure Beauty is $15 a month. I signed up for a complete year, so I believe I got 1 month for free, and their value is always guaranteed to be between $50 to $90 per month of value, and again, it's only $15 a month. So I never complain about my Allure because you find some terrific products inside. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what May brings us. Shall we? We shall. So I really hope you all had a wonderful Mother's Day. That was yesterday. And even all you fur mothers like myself, I had a really good day. It was nice. Not really relaxing because it's only my only day off. So of course it's always filled with stuff that I need to do. But what else is new? So here is my box. They always give you a little pamphlet, and I always tell you guys, I don't really like reading what they say about the product because they always write what some random person thinks about the product, not really telling you about the product in general. So I don't like really using this as a reference guide other than the pricing. So let's see what we have. This month is a bright orange bag. And you know what? It's a different style bag. There's one item inside the box still. Normally they have a clasp, like a snap, and now it's like there's this little doohickey thing and you pull it out. So they changed the design of the bag as well as the color. So I don't know if they're going to this style with this little whoop-de-woo instead of the clasp, but I hear a lot of people's bags come busted. And so far, knock on wood, I haven't. Well, let's go ahead and see what products we have because I don't really care about the bags. I care about the products inside. And again, for $15 with free shipping, I never complain about my Allure. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what the first thing is here. This is Youth Revolution Radiance Cream and Mask by Amore Pacific. So there is the packaging right there. Let me see if I can get at least a retail value. Okay, so this month there would have been 3 different products by the same brand, which would have been a treatment cleansing foam. It would have been the moisture cream bond cream, which mine doesn't say that. Wait, yeah, doesn't say that. Or a vintage single extract essence, and mine doesn't say that either. So let's see, moisture bond cream. This doesn't say any of those. Oh, there's a top one. The top one is the Youth Revolution Mask. So there was 4 different ones. You would have gotten a variation of one of them, and I got the top one that I didn't even look at, which is the Youth Revolution Mask, and the full size is valued at $200. Holy moly. Holy moly. It says Eureka, a hydrating mask that doesn't smell like anything. I can wear it overnight, focus on my Z's, and have a brighter skin by morning. So at least it was a little verbiage, so I didn't mind reading that one. So let's go ahead and see Eureka, how much this smells, what this smells like. So there is the packaging. It's very unique looking. And let's see how this works. I guess you twist that part off. And so if this is a face moisture, I'm sure you can get a couple nights usage out of this, but I don't smell, it doesn't smell like anything. So what in the world is this mask that doesn't smell like, it says it doesn't smell like anything. So, and it doesn't. It does not smell like a thing, but it does feel really nice. So I'm actually really excited to try that because I bet you that's gonna make my skin feel really, really soft. And if the full size is $200, then you know this has got to be some good shit right here. But yeah, ooh, that feels really, really good. It does. It feels really, really good. And it doesn't smell like anything. And sometimes I like something with like a scent. Like I have some things that smell like a citrusy scent that smells amazing. but like the fruity or perfumey scents I don't like on my face when I go to bed at night, because then it just, sometimes I wake up with a headache. So this smells like nothing at all. And this is a 0.2 fluid ounce bottle. So it doesn't say how much this particular guy is because this is a sample, but I'm sure, why do I keep smelling? It doesn't smell like anything. It feels amazing. So I'm gonna use that tonight actually and see how my skin feels in the morning. Now, let's go ahead and go with the item that was on the outside of the box. This is Ipsy Cosmetics Lip Gloss Brilliant. And this guy here is a full-size product. And it says Ipsy Cosmetics Lip Gloss in Vibe. This pale pinkish nude gloss has a 60s vibe that Cully compared to, see, I don't like reading all this other stuff, so I'm not gonna read it. This is $20 right there. So let's go ahead and swatch this guy. That is the applicator right there. And okay, it is very nude, not dark whatsoever. And of course, why do you do that, Tracy? You put it on a spot where you guys can't even turn my wrist that way for you to see it. So there we have it right there. So let's see here. Let's get it on. Let's get it on, you guys. It feels really nice. It looks really nice. And it's a very nude color. So I'm really excited about that. I'm really excited about that. It's just like a nude color. So that's awesome. At least I have one item so far. Well, I have two items so far that I'm liking. The first 2 out of 2 are really, really good. So there's that guy right there. Next, let's grab, this is a glass bottle. This is a glass bottle. And it says Saint Tropez Self Tan Purity. And it says bronzing water face mist. So this I'm gonna go ahead and put in a future giveaway because I don't need any tanning products. I don't try to use any tanning products. I'm very afraid, thinking I might get blotchy or orange or anything like that. So this will go ahead and set in a future giveaway so one of you guys can use it. Plus I'm fine with my Casperness. I've said that before. So I don't need any type of tanning products. But if you look at how big the full size is. The full size of this bad boy is $44 and you can buy it at Ulta. So one of you guys can try this out and see how it works. If you like it, you can buy it at Ulta for $44. Next is Louis by Jean Seo. It's called Erase Cleansing, Exfoliating, and Brightening Powder. It is literally a powder. That is a powder, you guys. So there is the packaging. This says $15, but I'm assuming it's not for this size because the picture in here reminds me of it being a lot bigger and it looks like it kind of has a silver lid. So I'm assuming this is not the full size product, but there is a good amount in there for, there's a good amount in there for you to try. Let's see, directions. Mix a tablespoon of Erase with half a tablespoon of water to form a paste. Apply to face and let dry for 1 minute. While still damp, gently massage away. Paste should come off like eraser peels. Taking blackheads out and reducing large pores. Add a drop of water to continue erasing if paste dries. Use twice a week or as needed. That's definitely different. I've never tried a powder form of an erase type cleanser, so that is going to be very different for me to try. I'm actually excited, not for resale. So this is definitely not the full size, but that, like I said, that is definitely enough for you to try it out to see if you do like it. And if you did want to buy it, it's $15. Where to buy at evolue.com. Enter Allure 20 at checkout to receive 20% off. So there you go. We got 2 more items in here, you guys. This is this item right here. And this is not a full size. The full size looks like that. But again, you get to try some amazing products. That's why I really do like my Allure, because you get to try some makeup, some skincare, all different things, and it's really cool. Sometimes you get some full size products and it knocks your socks off. But I still love my Allure. So there's that product right there. The full size of this would be $35, and you can buy it at US Langeige, whatever this brand is, LANEIGE.com. Enter Allure 20 at checkout to receive 20% off the Water Bank products. So this is a Water Bank Moisture Cream. And let's see if it says on here, Water Bank Moisture Cream, benefit, hydrating, and soothing. It says rich textured cream with something honest mineral water to circulate and retain skin moisture. All right, so it's for normal to dry skin. So again, that's that product right there. So I'm excited to try that. I definitely love trying new things, and if I do like it, then you can go and buy the full size. So that's a good thing about this Allure, because then you get to try some amazing products. Next is from Model Co. And this is Eyelights Metallic Eyeshadow in St. Bart's, maybe? Let's see here, Model Co. Yep, in St. Bart's, and this is $12. It says it's a bronzy champagne cream shadow, dries fast and doesn't crease or rub off. So let's see what this looks like. Okay, I have never kept anything like this, so I'm gonna go ahead and go out on a limb, you guys, and I'm going to go ahead and swatch this and keep this. And oh, it is very creamy. It is a champagne-y color. I do give them that. And you know what? I'm actually excited to try this. I can see me using this on my lower lid, which is amazing. So it's right here. That is the shadow. And it does have this really cool shimmer to it. So I'm excited about that one. I'm actually really excited. I totally forgot. Now that I literally just ended this video and I looked at my hand and I was like, oh, and I touched it and it is completely dried. This is that lip product that I put on, so that totally wipes away. But this is on there. So I'm actually really excited to try that on my lower lid. I really do like that eyeshadow. So let's see how that works. But look at that shine. And it is on there. Huh. It says it dries fast. It's still wet. So let's see. So that is everything that came in my May Allure. Again, we got the Model Co. eyeshadow stick, I guess you want to call it, metallic eyeshadow stick. We got this really cool nude lip product that I'm actually really liking. We got a Water Bank Moisture Cream to try out. We got this night cream to try out, which feels, this part of my hand that I put it on, it still feels so much better than the rest of my hand. So I'm so excited to try this, especially knowing the full size is $200 and I will never buy. So I'm greatly thankful to try the product out. We have this powder apparatus that I've never tried a powder substance before, so I'm actually intrigued on trying this. Then we have the tanning product that will go to one of you guys in a future giveaway. So that is everything. Again, this is $15 with free shipping, and I really, really love my Allure, you guys. I never knock it. Even though some months are better than others, I still won't knock it because you get amazing products. Oh, what the heck? So that is everything that I have for you guys. Go ahead and comment down below if you have any questions or if you'd like to tell me something. I love your positive interaction. It means the world to me. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would greatly appreciate you to stick around and watch some future videos and giveaways that I have on my channel. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.